National General Secretary ka All India Trinamool Congress Abhishek Banerjee ulaong ba kadai bandon kawei ka Medical College ha kawei pa kawei ka district ha ka Jylla Meghalaya. Habakran ka jingalang elap election ban panjingersha na kabanta ukurtong ka party na Malim constituency uba Gilbert G lalu ha umlengka menha ka khat pratarik urumpang arja arpulai Abhishek ulaong baka Jylla West Bengal ka don arpulai tili Medical College haki arpulai tili district jong katay ka Jylla. Ulaong baka Shillong Medical College kapau tang haki kot kisla but ka jingtay ya Ketura Medical College kam ipoish ru.
We are standing at a very important juncture of our life where the state is actually waiting at the cusp of change. It's literally at the brink of change, and we only have 12-15 days in hand to end the 5 year of misrule of the corrupt NPP government. Their integrity and sense of duty has totally gone down the drain, and I want to ask them, a person who got 5 years in hand, you showed your love, your respect, your kindness, your unwavering faith and support to them 5 years back. And they boast and brag about running a double-engine government with BJP's help and support in the center. But I see, it pains my heart to see the roads in dilapidated condition, poor infrastructure, the roads, every government project is in doldrums. Meghalaya is the only state in India which doesn't have a single medical college. It pains me to see that Shillong Medical College is only existing in papers, and the future of the construction of the Tura Medical College is in complete doldrums. We are the only party in the country who walk the talk. Whatever we commit to the people, we will deliver, we have delivered, and we will keep delivering. This is our word to you that we will make Meghalaya top the charts in every social indicator, be it healthcare, be it education, be it infrastructure. We will ensure that Meghalaya emerge as the #1 in the country in the days to come. This time, on the 27th of February, when you go out and exercise your voting right, keep one thing in mind. You're not just voting to end 5 years of misrule, to uproot the corrupt NPP, inept, inefficient and the corrupt government from power. You're voting for 5 years of your near and dear ones' brighter future. For 5 years of taking Meghalaya to greater heights. You're voting to bring back the lost glory of this beautiful state. You're voting to ensure that Meghalaya is not deprived of its rightful dues. You're voting to ensure that Meghalaya stand up for the respect, for its own self-respect in the days to come. You're voting to ensure that Meghalaya doesn't need a puppet or a coward. Meghalaya needs a true leader who can stand up for the people of this state. So every vote to Gilbert is a vote for Meghalaya's pride, to save Meghalaya's heritage and to protect this beautiful land. Every vote to Gilbert is a vote to ensure that Meghalaya is able to prove its mettle and might to the rest of the country. Every vote to Meghalaya, TMC and Gilbert is a vote to uproot the corrupt NPP government out of power. So 27th of February, when you go to the polling station and exercise your voting right, please take your near and dear ones with you and participate in this process of change which the state is about to witness.
Nakalyang President ka AITC Meghalaya uba Charles Pingrop ulaong baka party ka don ka jing ngokya na kabanta ka roy ka par ha ka Jylla bat kum ka party kalay kran halor ki jing dawa penrung ya ketien khasi ha ka kernet ka bapra jong kariti sensyar kari India.
Dara kadai ka party ka bam train namta ki kusuk ki rangli ki juki ki tharai dan mo ki ban kesan ki ban bot endre hagani ka por POE what hagaying dor bar thawan jo Jylla yeng ban persya ya ka jing le ko basniu ko bonai ka jing sniu ka Jylla ka jongi happy kisan teli snem ki brale iman ni abshong hang ni harun dak te tu mar por ko kapsa na chu simtang yu iman berkata ka dei ke TMC ke party kapala yeng na munta ka chat riu bujongi hakini ki arlai tri bnai malata POE gum ki MLA jo ke TMC nge election dali ban persya hakmat ke parlimen ban benrung ye ka ktin jungi ka ktin khasi aga kandret ke papra jogo constitution mano ba hak to por pekerjaan ini kini ka parti lembak ki MP ki jongki ki ba yen ki ba halla ki ba kren ki ba dawa ya kini ka hak ke jongki berhak juga poru kini ka parti ka yen scam na ka benka ka jai bentu
Habakran kajingalang uba Gilbert lalu uloong bagi pat ba Kim Day Bansha penbiet hak bor pisah hak ni election ke banlong hak arnyo tarik mentau benai ba ulakan thoru yo sembut menteri rang ba ka Jylla ba Preston Tensong ubalaong bagi pat ba kisah penbiet man kasan snam
tani bansiwa ya song kali bansiwa subha bansiwa ruai kedai ka kam ka pagentang lagi pagentang tam hak ba mga panubi ke ai ka mangidai banrai nagbata kajat kun riyo jong nagbata ikon samla bat nagbata ki pateng ki banwan lara kani ka arpunyo trek kapang yola tang sisen samsem karuan bat ngin bakra samsem orohi kajing sneu nang ne sakmat kalap lupa kemawe taktir bangkran tasngi namaring la iya kini ki samsem ki banalet tang kahuri ura bak kacing bam sab kapasya kai bak kacing le ranya kajat pun riau kejongi
Congress commitment to Meghalaya. Power cut free Meghalaya. Congress is committed to providing 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to every home and industry in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
The mismanagement of sports facilities in Meghalaya is costing the future of our youth dearly. They are lagging behind due to lack of proper training facilities. Is this the Meghalaya we want for our youth? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi Ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836 000 6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.
Meghalaya, ka jingsngan ha ka imlang sa alang, ningkong, baro ki jinggeshan by BAM, lingba ka social welfare, ansa kentiw siya ka siya jating ka sibenay, katakalong kat ara jating ka sisnem.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang, shan ya ka sap jong pi haki artli ki sentiw, bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.